Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to share my experience with Vostok Amphibia Scuba Dude. And it has been 4 years since I have bought this watch, this lovely Russian diver. Not only lovely but really robust, really very rough and tough thing, also very beautiful looking. And the original Scuba Dude version, that is the 420059, really cool. 420059 stands for 420 case and dial type 59, that is 59. That is really something. And I have put this on the original Vostok supplied bracelet. This is the this rice bead kind of bracelet, and overall watch looks really cool. So stay tuned with the video and I will tell you all the things about this particular things and my experience and why you should buy a Vostok Amphibia and make it a part of your watch collection. So there are many things that people tend to ignore, many facts regarding Vostok Amphibia that is coming through, a little bit of history, a little bit of collector's pride, and a lot of stuffs and lot of experiences to share with you all. Stay tuned in this video. Well, so in 1967, Mikhail Nabokov and Vera Belov, these were two Soviet designers who were tasked with designing a waterproof watch for the government and armed forces, so that they should not be dependent on the Western technology or Swiss technologies for the waterproof watch at that time, when Rolex and Blancpain were the key players in divers, as well as the Panerai that was has been originating from Italy. So what that requirement has floated made them really think everything from scratch. They did not want to depend for anything maintenance or design etc. for a waterproof watch. So the entire requirement of Vostok Amphibia had to be original. So what did they do? First of all, if you want to really see the case back, the case back here is not a single piece case back, as you can very well see. This is a O-ring seal type case back here. This plate is a massive and very thick plate here, a round plate that sits, and this is the ring, a separate ring from the original case back that sits tight on the back here. And the gasket inside is a very broad gasket that continuously expands as the pressure is put due to the water depth, and it further strengthens or reinforces the waterproofness of this particular watch by the pressure of the water outside the watch itself. Second, the screw down type of crown here. Now many people ask, hey, I got a new Vostok Amphibia, and hey, look how wobbly the crown is. Very wobbly, very free and very wobbly. Why is it so? So this is by design. Why? Because it gives a certain play that if anything hits this crown while doing all the diving work or field work, the very less force will be applied on the crown stem and the crown stem will not damage easily. Or even if when you are opening this and you are just putting it back, so if in by case there is any thread mismatch, it will have some tolerance before it damages the crown stem here. So this gives a very good protection against easy damage of the crown stem. Third, the acrylic of this watch is not something very cheap or anything, any such kind of thing. This is a 3 mm thick acrylic, 3 millimeters. If you have a measuring tape in your hand, you can simply check what 3 millimeter is, and it is really thick. And the design is such that it will not easily shatter under pressure. Rather, if any pressure is applied, it will just expand and give it some room before cracking. It should be yield before it will fail. so things will be visible, it will not shatter easily. So this was really something. And why you should have a Vostok Amphibia? Because of its sheer robustness. These watches are somewhere around 38 to 38 mm, around 37 to 38 mm. It makes a perfect field watch, and this is really something that you should be having one in your collection. The bezel are non-clickable, but they are really very tough. You cannot move them easily because it is retained by a bronze spring inside. So what were my experience? Well, my experience with this Vostok Amphibia was that I was able to freeze this watch. Yes, I was able to use this watch in Mumbai monsoon. Check, because not all the watch survive this Mumbai monsoon, especially when you are wearing any vintages or other Swiss watches, that non-diver kind of things. So this is the monsoon type go-to watch. So really love the overall presentation. And this watch, if it gets dirty, you can simply wash it under tap, given that you have the crown in place properly. The case here and the case back are pure stainless steel, definitely. But the only complaint I had, because I purchased this watch in 2017, and that time they have supplied the bezel, only the bezel part, with a chrome plated steel. So I have slight chrome chipping here, if you can see this brown patch here. But recently I have ordered a new bezel, so I am going to change it. And the changing of the bezel is really easy, and you can simply do it at home, and this is not much of a pressure. So this was a very good experience for me, having this Vostok Amphibia. But what is the scenarios lately? There are many series of Vostok Amphibia. What I am holding is 420059, that is the 420 case and dial number 59, and the mid 0 stands for the stainless steel case. There are other codes as well. So this is really something. But nowadays the higher series like this 170 series and whatever latest you see, most of them are actually designed in Russia, definitely, but all the cases, components are made in China. And it is definitely, it is most honestly confirmed by the Vostok guys, or you may say that the authorized distributor who are on there in the website like Meranom and Commandersky.com. They are very clean about it, that yes, some of the parts are now being sourced from China, but some of the parts, some of the watch series or Amphibia series are still made in the Chistopol factory, Russia, like the 090 series, the 420 series, and all the older design ones are still made in Russia. So this is my experience till now. So if I want to purchase a Vostok Amphibia again, definitely that I will purchase, though I do not need it because this is enough for a lifetime. Still I will go for the 070 series or some another made in Russia series, because the heft, the build quality and the durability of these watches are off the charts. I am not saying that these watches are very accurate, because this will run like plus minus 20 seconds per day of accuracy, but a person like me who is always 10 minutes late to the office, that doesn't mean anything. So definitely, and that was a joke, I'm not late. So this is definitely something worth having, because as being an engineer, as being a person who works in the field, this watch is my go-to watch. And now they have also started supplying very good looking bracelets as well, Vostok stamped bracelets. Though I'm not sure if these are made in Russia, I think these are made in China and stamped with Vostok logo. Some of the straps are made in Russia, but those are not good quality but doable. They're flimsy but not bad quality, let me say. But yes, they have some links issue sometimes. You cannot shorten them easily, and there are many such issues with them. But overall, if strap is not one thing that I always worry about, unless it is a very expensive watch or good quality Swiss or some Japanese watch. But for a Vostok, I can put it on any strap, no issues. So, well, thank you for watching the video. I have given some of the insights. I've cleared some of the doubts that people often ask. So this is the Vostok Amphibia 420059. Definitely go get one. Look what a lovely color this is. So I would suggest that whomsoever are collecting all those Swiss and expensive, premium Swiss watches and all those kind of Rolex and Blancpain and all those kind of things, just for comparing the technologies, because these were also developed around 1957. Just to compare the technologies, you should definitely own one, see everything in these watches and get one. So thank you for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe. More videos will be coming, all the comparisons and new watches. So keep safe in these COVID times. We are all in this together, and we will be as robust as Vostok when this is over. Thank you. Have a nice one.